Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 black desktop background fixed. First method is restart Windows Explorer. Second method is change personalization settings. Third method is change accessibility settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.